do. Don't worry, you guys. You guys is king. We'll figure all of this out. You guys hear me? Yes. King of Squishyville. I love this honor to have one of our most popular friends come up. You can come up. Bonjour. You're not French, I know. I am Yehuju. Let's bring your sister up. Hello. These two heroes saved Squishyville from last year's attack. Ah, I see the squishies. I'm going for it. I might be short. That and people can't see me that good. I'll open a circuit. Shut them down. After that happened, Squishyville was honored by these two brave heroes. I'll be right back, folks. Wow, Squishyville's big screenplay, YouTube and stuff has never gotten old. Now, let's introduce our soldiers. Starting with Hanson. Well, my name is Hanson. I like the gays. I like it awesome. My name is Kingston. Kingston. That's my name. Next up, we have the two brother and a sister, the Paws. Hello. Well, the Paws, both of us. What's up, Kingston? Yeah, he kicks. Next up, Jeffrey the camel. Dun, dun, dun. Now, we are getting reports. Fly away! No! Squishies at Squishyville. Everyone, we must survive this attack. Ah! If we lose, we might all fall. I'm gonna trap you all forever. Get out of there, army squishies. We're safe. Phew. You sure about that? Squishies, defensive position. Oh, that hurt. Oh. I got one arm. That hurt. Back up, Squishies. Head there. Unicorn. Blast. No, I'm blasting at this guy. No. You're saving me? No, I'm blasting you. In your dreams. I got a circuit. No, I got it stuck. No, no, no. My laser, I can't turn it off. I can turn you down. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust. Woo, guys, we did awesome. Kingston. 5 years later. Thanks, robot. Yes, I am now part of your team. Army soldiers, duck! Everyone get in the squishy train. We have to leave Squishyville. Train broke down. Ugh, I hate this TV playing. Doesn't matter. Squishyville will be not yours. Squishy's hide. All the squishies. Nowhere for you to know. Oh, TV's playing. Hate those. No. Squishies, run. No. Squishies, go. Squishies, turn on the plane. It's broken. We'll get it working. No! Should we go back for him? We can't. We shouldn't. He can handle it. You're gonna die! No! Please. I want the squishies to live happily here. Please, don't do this. Please. Die! Where do you think the squishies are going? No. Destroy Squishyville!